welcome back on this Monday morning. So our next disturbance is going to be bringing in a little bit of some wintry mix for some folks. So the next system comes tomorrow through Wednesday. The precipitation associated with this starts to move in late in the afternoon, early evening. But I think that the main concern would be for a little bit of a mixture near Lake Michigan. That could include some sleet, some freezing rain. That could easily make for some icy, slippery spots in those locations. Otherwise, heavy snow is not really expected, but we are expecting wet snow with this. Winds, we're not expecting strong winds, so that's at a low risk, and extreme cold is at a low risk as well. But behind this, we will have some cooler air set in for the end of the week into the weekend. Here's that storm system over in Colorado, bringing some of the snow through South Dakota into parts of Nebraska at this moment. So there are a lot of alerts associated with this in the central and the northern plains. So a lot of winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and even some ice storm warnings for western Iowa for today. Watch as that system moves in. Now, today it's going to be kind of a quiet day. There's the potential of an isolated snowflake or two, but that's basically it. Tomorrow morning, this is 6:30 in the morning. There's a little bit of a mixture in the southern counties of Wisconsin, rain in the southern counties of the lower peninsula at that point in time. And then as that warm front slowly lifts north, we have a little bit more milder air move in. Late afternoon, this is about 4 o'clock, starts to bring in some of this wet snow along the Wisconsin state line. And then right along Lake Michigan, as it's going to be a little bit milder there, it's generally going to be a mixed bag of precip. So this will be some sleet, some freezing rain, some snowflakes as well for the late afternoon extending through the evening. And then it's wet snow transition for tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. By Wednesday morning, most of it is gone. We still have some residual light snow across the north and near Lake Superior at that point in time. So again, as I mentioned, a little bit of that mixture right along Lake Michigan. Otherwise, it's going to be some wet snow. Regardless, roads will be slippery out there, but we're not expecting some high accumulations, and that's some good news. But this is why we will have that mixed bag of precip towards the southeast, because temperatures will kind of be in the low to near mid-30s tomorrow afternoon across those eastern areas. Be the upper 20s to around the 30-degree mark across the west end of the UP. Now, right now, we're just dealing with some mostly cloudy skies. It's kind of quiet out there this morning. Our highs today will range from 28 to about 32 across the west end. We're looking at low to near mid-30s in the central and the eastern counties this afternoon. After the system, we'll have some cooler air set in on Wednesday. Through this upcoming weekend, we're back to normal and